Hi, my name is Ed Guggenheimer. I'm the CEO of the Alberta Recycling Management Authority. We call ourselves ARMA. Working on behalf of the province, ARMA oversees all aspects of end-of-life processing of electronics, paint, tires, and used oil materials, and is now the oversight authority for EPR. It's important for us to lead in all aspects of what we do, including where we choose to operate from. That's why we decided to take on a new office space that allowed us to reuse existing materials while inspiring others on the possibilities of reimagining spaces. Not only did we save money on this space, but we were also able to create a place where staff could thrive and become leaders in their own space. Culture is really important to me and our organization, and I believe this space speaks truly to who we are and what we hope others have the courage to become. With our growing list of responsibilities, ARMA saw a fantastic opportunity to cut its rental costs and expand our footprint. This helps support our new mandate and further evolve our corporate culture. After an exhaustive search, we found a building from 1962. We made every effort to modernize this mid-century structure in the most environmentally and fiscally responsible way. During the demolition process, we focused on repurposing materials. For instance, we reused insulation for the walls for soundproofing in new walls. Most of the ceiling tiles that we found were retained and reused in the project. We also utilized open plenum spaces, which reduced the need for new materials and lowered our carbon footprint. Minimizing waste is a big priority for us. We recycled old light fixtures and steel studs. We recycled old drywall and carpet tiles. Any old office furniture, appliances, equipment, and supplies that weren't moved were donated to local charities and organizations or simply provided to staff for their use. Our movers even used recyclable plastic containers for packing transportation, which was a really great touch. In the construction of this new space, we made sure to use recycled materials just about everywhere we could. We reused surplus and leftover shop materials from ProLogic, our contractor, for ceiling grid and repair work. Our electricians reused as much of the existing circuits and infrastructure as possible, utilizing the cable trays to reduce the need for new materials. We even installed recycled solar panels on our roof to power our exterior off-grid sign. For the interior finishes, we used recycled latex paint from Calgary's EcoCoat, one of our recyclers. We chose UL GreenGuard certified materials and laminate finishes for durable, low VOC counter surfaces. Our new carpet tiles are about 62% recycled materials and part of a cradle-to-cradle program, meaning they'll be recycled once again they're worn out. Enclosed spaces have state-of-the-art sustainable wall and interior glazing products, and our workspaces featured panels and upholstery made from recycled polyester fiber. The stone countertops in the kitchens were slab offcuts that normally would be discarded. We even used rubber mulch from Alberta's tire recycling processors in plant pots around the office. We're extremely proud of our new space. It reflects who we are and what we stand for. It helps us further deliver on our vision of inspiring a future without waste. We are very excited about what the future holds for our organization and how this new space will enhance it.